Everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to let you know the ways to cancel payment sent via Zelle. In order to cancel payment sent via Zelle, you just have to follow the steps. Now, canceling a Zelle payment is possible, but not in every cases. So you could only cancel if the recipient hasn't enrolled with the Zelle yet. If you're unsure whether the person has enrolled, you could check within your bank's app or the website. So for that, you need to open up your bank's app or go to the website and log in. Then next thing you want to do is click on Activity tab. If the person hasn't enrolled with Zelle yet, you'll see the Stop the Payment button. Stop the payment button, tap on it, and your payment is cancelled. If the person is enrolled, you won't see this option. If your payment is for a future date, you can cancel it anytime by tapping on the cancel payment option. This way you'll be able to cancel your Zelle payment. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.